In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kalodata Filters, Category Price Range Sales Trend. Start by opening your browser and searching for Kalodata. From the results, choose the official site. You'll know you're in the right place if the branding looks consistent and the URL is secure. Once you're on the home page, log into your account so you can access the full set of tools. After logging in, head to the Product or Category tabs. The Advanced Filter panel will be easy to spot, usually at the top of the page or along the left side. This is where you'll spend most of your time refining results. Before anything else, set your time window. Choosing the last 7 days helps you capture the freshest spikes and fast-moving trends, while the last 30 days smooths out volatility and gives a clearer view of sustained momentum. Setting this early ensures every other filter reflects current, relevant data. Next, narrow your focus using the 3-level category selector. For example, you might go from beauty and personal care to skincare to face masks. This level of precision removes noise and keeps your research aligned with your niche, which makes your comparisons more meaningful and your decisions more confident. Now, set a unit price range that matches your budget and your audience. For impulse-friendly products on platforms like TikTok, a broad range of $10 to $80 can work, with a sweet spot around $15 to $45 for strong conversion rates. Keep your margins in mind here. Pair your price range with realistic product costs, shipping, and ad spend so the products you shortlist are viable. Then, use the Revenue Trend filter and set it to Growing. This highlights products with upward momentum, helping you spot items that are gaining traction rather than fading out. When possible, look for consistent climbs rather than one-time spikes. Pairing this with your chosen time window will give you a clearer read. For 2025 strategies, add a weekly growth filter and target products showing 200 to 500% growth. This range is aggressive enough to catch rising stars without drifting into oversaturated territory. If growth is far above that, it may be short-lived hype. Far below might be too slow to capitalize on. Combine this with your category and price settings to hone in on scalable opportunities. That's it. Open Kalodata, log in, find the Advanced Filter panel, set your time window, drill into a 3-level category, dial in your unit price, switch Revenue Trend to Growing, and for 2025, focus on 200 to 500% weekly growth to surface promising products early.